Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Halal Talk Show, where we explore halal restaurants, markets, and grocery stores to help you make informed halal choices. Today's review is about Two Brothers Halal Market, a popular grocery and meat store known for providing halal products. But the main question is it truly halal? About the store. Two Brothers Halal Market is located in Houston, Texas. It's a well-known store offering a variety of products, including halal-certified meats, groceries, spices, and Middle Eastern and South Asian food items. The market is quite popular among local Muslim families who visit regularly for fresh halal meat and imported groceries. Halal meat and products. Two Brothers claims to sell 100% halal meat, such as chicken, beef, lamb, and goat. Most of their meat is labeled halal and sourced from suppliers who follow Islamic slaughtering methods. The store is known for maintaining a separate section for halal meat, ensuring cleanliness and proper handling. Customer experience. Many customers appreciate the wide range of products available, along with the authenticity of the halal meat. The store is often praised for being a one-stop shop for halal essentials. However, as with any grocery store, some customers suggest always checking expiration dates and confirming supplier details for complete assurance. Overall review. Based on available information and community feedback, Two Brothers Halal Market is considered a reliable place for halal groceries and meat in Houston. The market serves the local Muslim community well and continues to maintain a reputation for quality and trust. Final verdict. Two Brothers Halal Market appears to be genuinely halal, offering a variety of products that align with Islamic dietary laws. Still, it's always wise to ask the staff about their meat sources and confirm halal certification for extra peace of mind. Have you visited Two Brothers Halal Market? What was your experience? Did you find their meat and groceries truly halal? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Halal Talk Show for more halal reviews, restaurant checks, and supermarket guides. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.